Okay, so the next thing I want to get into is how to build out your claude.md file or markdown file. It's basically the working memory of your particular project folder that you're working inside of. So if we take the example that we were just working off of, which is looking at sales numbers for 2025 and 2026, if I know that this project folder is always going to be focusing on sales data in Snowflake, I can actually build out my claudemd file directly from Claude Code. So I'll take a pass at writing some stuff up here to add to it. So I'll say, moving forward, instead of actually going and manually creating the claudemd file and doing this the old school way, I'm just going to have Claude do it for me in the SQL or data question, run it against the demo DB in Snowflake, and then it has the way to do that with the connection and key pair, all that fun stuff. Okay, so close that up. And then what that looks like in actuality is if I go to my Claude folder, there's now this claudemd file. And the reason I show you this is because the way that you organize your claudemd files really does matter, especially as you start to scale out your Claude environment. So if you are doing some stuff for a specific type of work and you don't want that to cross over with another type of work or whatever, really separating out those environment files and claudemds can be a big lifesaver down the road. So if I open this up, this is going to have exactly what Claude was telling me there. So then it has some examples. It has the memory. It says I'm connecting to Snowflake using a key pair stuff. And so now the value of that, just having that little bit of context, is if I go and say start a new conversation and say how many. This is just a completely new chat here. Let's see if so it's using the claudemd file. This tells me the logic. I can review, make sure that makes sense. Great. So this is running against my Snowflake environment, just with that addition of the claudemd file, which now has the secrets in memory so that Claude knows where to go, what I'm asking for. Yeah.